relationships, work relationships, about a third of the workplace is having a relationship or did have a relationship, and that increased during COVID.
Wow.
And the reason why we're seeing that is because of the younger generation, the X and the early millennials. They have no problem dating in the workplace. And let me explain workplace. It's not just coworkers, it's vendors, it's customers.
Right.
So think about the complexity that employers or companies have to do when it comes to those relationships. So my advice is always to have the loving couple come out of the closet and tell the company, hey, we're having a consensual relationship. I call it a love contract, where they discuss, yeah, this is consensual. We understand the company policies. We're not going to show public displays of affection at the workplace. And if people are uncomfortable, they can come to Human Resources and say they're uncomfortable, because surveys show in the recent one that almost 40% of workers don't like, they think a workplace relationship is unprofessional. So there might be individuals that have a problem with it. And so that's what I put in my love contracts. I also make sure that the couple doesn't report to each other, and that the supervisor monitors the behaviors. And if the company, if the love couple relationship ends, they contact the company. And as well as you cannot discriminate between heterosexual couples and same-sex couples.
I have been curious about the sort of saga of Amy Robach and Jay Ford at ABC. Did you follow that story at all, Dr. Knight?
Yes, in fact, it came out in the Washington Post. I was quoted it.
Oh, really? Oh, no.
Yes.
What did you have to say about that? I didn't see that article, I thought.
Well, yeah, there were a lot of HR professionals in there, but, you know, it's still a workplace romance, so it's a challenge, right? But I think the relationship was difficult. Let's just say that.
Yeah, I kind of, you know, I'm not super well read on that story. I kind of read it, you know. I'm not going to, you know, spend an afternoon reading stories about these two people, but it struck me as odd that, say, that workplace romance that, you know, takes place on national television was shut down right away. You know, they were both let go after that relationship was disclosed. And then you have a sort of contrast over on MSNBC, where Joe and Mika are alleged to have had a sort of behind-the-scenes romance for a long time. And then I think now they're married, and everybody knows that they're like this married news team on Morning Joe in the morning. And I just didn't understand why